Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit. So, what's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? What's up, my nana lovelies and gents? I've been gone for a long time. I've been gone for like maybe 4 days, 5 days. But as you know, guess what? Guess what? I hit 100 subscribers. I appreciate you all for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. Okay. Now today, I don't have a natural hair video today. As you guys know, I do plenty of things on this channel, as in clothing hauls, hair, and I started face paint. So, at 100 subscribers, I had decided to introduce No Belay Media, my business. I'm an artist. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I do art. So that's why I do the face paint, because it's a way for me to, it's a way for you to show me something else I'm good at, or I try to be good at. Just want to give you something interesting to watch, like, because I don't do a lot with my hair, though this is a natural hair channel. But because I'm a lazy natural, and because I don't do a lot with it, girl. You're going to see more than just me do my hair on this channel. So if you're alright with that, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to get started. So, I just got my 3 paints. Face paint in general is expensive as heck. So, we had to go to Party City. So, I'm going to use this paint like I did last time. But for today, I will be making a flower. How I'm going to do this, I have no idea. But we're going to do it. Don't be trying to call me in the comments, okay? Because I'm using Q-tips, alright? Until I can get some brushes. Let's make this flower. Where should I start?
let me just say this. Doing face paint with a Q-tip is hard work. Okay. Yeah. Like this video. Subscribe to it. Alright, subscribe. I'm gonna subscribe. Oh yeah, I try my best with this one. Can't wait till I get some brushes.